Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 9 trades. Today's date is May the 23rd and I am using my brand new PIP trigger trading system. This system has an audio alert with a pop-up box for the hull moving average here. When it turns from blue to red, you'll get a pop-up box like this right there, suggesting it's either up or down. Now, about 4 months after I put the videos together for the PIP trigger, I got my hands on the super signal indicator. That's the one with the arrows here. I would not trade without the super signal indicator, as it is a very good indicator. It helps me to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets, especially on the 5-minute time frame. Now if you want the super signal indicator, that is in a different package called the Easy Trader. I do have 4 packages, and if you look right below this video, you'll see the 4 different packages. I recommend you get all 4 different packages. Of course, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, just Skype me. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and of course looking at my daily trade plan. Now here is the daily trade plan running in real time, suggesting either to sell or to buy, and some of them are waiting to be set up. As it says here, not enough strength. Now if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just Skype me. Okay, now we can get into some of these trades. First one was the Dow Jones. Just have to, if you want to see those 2 little cursors where you got in and then you close the trade, just left click, drag and drop it up, release it. Then you'll get the 2 cursors. That's showing red right here, saying that I sold it. If I would have stayed in the trade, as you can clearly see, could have made like probably 5 times that. Anyhow, I close out the trades when I'm basically happy, and I'm happy usually when I have 200 or more pips and ticks, and I know that this is going to be well over 200, mainly because of this DAX 30. So now this one, the Dow Jones, pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money divided by 12. Calculator says well, 12. If I was in the trade right now, I'd be up 118 or so. But I was happy with these 12, as you see, and that ended up paying out $60. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound Aussie right here. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. I just manually put it in like that. So let's see where I got in at. Right on this candle, it was doing a pullback. Didn't bother me. But I took the trade here and I closed it out at this point, being happy. It looks like I was happy with about, looks like around 12 pips. And those 12 pips paid out $79. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the euro dollar. Now in this euro dollar, it pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. Looking at the money, this should be 8 pips. Let's drag and drop this up. As I mentioned, I sold it, so from there to there should be 8. Let's run a check. There it is right there, 8 pips, and that ended up paying out $80. Moving right along to the Next trade, the pound New Zealand. This one I bought. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade, as I teach according to the rules in the training videos. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the pound New Zealand. And on this trade, I got in here and I closed it out here. Looks like with about 24 pips. And those 24 pips paid out $149. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Wanted to be selling it. Everything qualified for a great way to trade. Everything looked good for shorting, including the daily trade plan. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy. Looks like with 27 pips. And those 27 pips paid out $199. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Now this one pays $5 for each pip, and looking at the money, well, easy to calculate it. It should be 40 ticks. So let's run a check on that. Wanted to be selling it. Qualified for a great way to trade. So from there to there should be 40. And it looks like if I made it down to there, I would have made about 80 ticks. There it is right there. You remove the last digit, so it's 40 ticks, and that ended up paying out $200. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. I dropped it down to the 5 minutes so I can get a reading more accurately. Let's drag and drop this up. This is the way the market moves. Move, pull back, move, pull back, move, pull back. Anyhow, I took the trade at this cursor, and what I did was I took the money and divided it by $3.75. Calculator says it's approximately 65. There it is right there, 65. You include all the digits, so 65. Ended up paying out $243. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Qualified for a great way to trade. Let's see where I got in at. Now I took the money, divided by 20, and the calculator says it's 21. So from here to where I closed out the trade, well, down at the bottom there would have been 65. But I closed it out here just being happy with the 21 ticks. You remove the last two digits. So it's 21 ticks, and that ended up paying out $424. Moving on to the last trade now. Crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 57. So let's run a check on it. There it is right there where I got in and I closed it out. Looks like I closed it out at a good place because it's just doing a pullback at the moment. So looking at the money, should be 57 ticks. So I got in at this cursor right here and I closed it out. As I mentioned, it should be 57. There it is right there, 57 times the money, paid out $570. So another great day trading using my PIP trigger. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 200. Grand total came to 266 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $2,006. So if your system's not producing, like my PIP trigger, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll get my contact information. Now, as I mentioned, all you have to do is look right below the video and you'll see this button right here. It says show more. All you got to do is click on it and then scroll down. I made it really easy for you. If you have a computer, you have Skype. All you got to do is click on this link and then we'll have Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll answer your questions. You can read this information, 4 things you need to succeed at trading. If you remove any one of these, there's a very good chance that you will fail at trading. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. If you scroll further down, you'll see 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. I recommend buying all 4 packages. Now, I do have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. Now, number 1 here is the PIP trigger system. This one does not include the super signal. If you want the super signal, the arrows, it's in package 4 here. Now, the bulk of the training videos is in package number 1 and 2, like how I trade live, advanced trading tips. And keep in mind that you will spend more than a couple of $100 by the time you are a successful trader. And of course, here 3 is the daily trade plan, expert advisor, and as I mentioned, easy trader with the super signal indicator. Now, if you scroll down more, I go into each package, more detail, exactly everything that you're going to get in the package. These are all things that you have to learn to trade the market successfully. Here is how I trade live, more education, and then there's 4 videos. In package 3, the daily trade plan, and package, the 4th package here, easy trader. Now, you can contact me different ways. You can pick up the phone and call me. You can send me an email. And I really do prefer Skype. Again, all you have to do is click on this link. So, just about time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.